guys, welcome back to the channel. But unfortunately, I'm kind of sick. So I am leisurely doing stuff. I was supposed to work tonight, but that didn't work out. The more I stand there and stuff, the worse it is. And it's Mother's Day, Sunday. It's just busy, man. So I'm going to try to go to a walk-in clinic tomorrow or something and get a doctor's note. I don't know, man. But this is... So I'm going to take you on a short trip on my houseplants that I have officially moved out to the front porch. And I'm only doing the houseplants as of right now because my voice. The houseplants that I moved out onto the porch, my bad. I got a Venus flytrap here that I have moved to a Dippin' Dots container, and I'm trying to do it with self-watering since I struggle at growing carnivorous plants, especially small ones, because the amount of water they'll take, especially with the amount of sunlight they will take. Sorry if it's hard to understand me. I'm going to try to be as close to the microphone as possible. Then this is black columnia, goldfish plant, black prince. It's got these nice dark glossy leaves on it. I moved it out here to a fuller sun experience, so maybe I can actually get it to bloom, and maybe it'll put out some darker leaves too. Yeah, my cane begonia, my special angel, it's slower growing than the other cane begonias right now, and maybe that's because of the stump size difference, which is probably true. So I stuck it over here with a little bit more sunlight, so it's gonna get light from there, and obviously from here when it's just right, but not direct sunlight. Then I got the Lowe's Costa Farms begonia. It's still hanging on, still trucking. Look at it go. It's probably gonna get sun scalded, but it's fine. It'll put out new leaves. That's a begonia lime love. That one was in my bedroom window. A Thai pink, Asiananthus lipstick plant. This is the Thai pink one. I still need to clean my plants, guys, but I did not say they're tidy and neat. I just said they're out here on the porch and they're watered. They're not totally neglected. I watered and fertilized and cut off bad leaves and stuff. At least on these plants, because, you know, I'm sick. My once glorious string of turtles is now this, so I'm probably going to leave it like this for now until it looks a little healthier. Then I'm probably going to try to propagate it and get it back to bouncing and backing and shareable again. Then I got I can't remember what this one is. It's the zigzag fern. I can't remember the botanical name of it right now. Then we have the Thanksgiving cactus that they like to call Christmas cactus, but it's not. And then I got this one as free cuttings as a plant from buying from a store on Palm Street a few years ago. I can't remember the exact store, but I got free cuttings in the mail with it, and it was just a couple little segments like that, and I in fact just left them on the porch all summer long, did nothing with them, and they rooted just from sitting in the hot, humid outside Kentucky conditions. So that's cool. And then I finally put them in a little bit of soil, and they've been in a little bit of soil for over a year, and they're doing just fine, just like that. So I might end up repotting it this summer, which is most likely because it's really starting to take off. My red vein maranta here, I did some cuttings for the plant swap and just pruned it up, made it look better because it was looking sad because I underwatered it. My Crimson Princess, which one is this one originally called? I can't remember. It's not it's the rubra. That's right. Hoya carnosa rubra. That's what it was originally called when it was first discovered. Now it is called Hoya carnosa Crimson Princess, or just Crimson Princess for short. But that was on the struggle bus too. I lost some vines, but it'll bounce back. I put some well, this one's got some pretty good roots. There's some other ones I put some of those strawberry pins down on. Then this is my pink princess cutting I got from Ruffled Willow plant swap last year. It was just this, and now it's putting out that. And then this is the white princess, I think, unless it's the white knight. But I stuck them in a pot together because they're going to grow real similarly. So if I got to stake them up, they'll stick up together, and then there'll be two different variegated philodendrons together. I thought that would look cool. My Tenanthe Gray Star, Hoya villosa, aka Hoya globulosa. It's on the struggle bus. I'm trying to get it to pop back up. Which one is this? Oh, that is a cross between Hoya's lacanosa and Hoya obscura, and this is Hoya sunrise. And this is Hoya no, it's not Craspia, Calistophylla Indonesia. This is my favorite one, and so that's kind of embarrassing that I would confuse that. But they both start with C, and they're both kind of lengthy, so I got that going for me. My pink Princess Aglaonema, it struggled, but it's going back. Look, even that little one down there, it's got some growth coming back. So my Philodendron tortum, it's been working on this pup for a while, but this is a slow grower, but it also doesn't mind low light conditions, so really can't complain. It really survives the neglect life. And I got one of these begonias, the cane begonias, from a plant swap last year, the fall plant swap for Master Gardeners, and then one of them I got from Lowe's, so I can't tell which is right now because they look the same. A Cattleya orchid. I have not repotted it. I bought it just like this from Better Grow from Lowe's. I thought this looks like a great setup, so I kept it. This one is a Phalaenopsis orchid, and I did repot it. And this leaf's dying, but it puts out new leaves, so pitter patter. Up here I got my Philodendron Brazil back on the porch. I took some cuttings off of it for the swap this year. Eyelash begonia Moritus. It's a rhizomus begonia. And then Hoya Bella there. She needs cleaned off, but she's still holding on to that little peduncle down there. So are you gonna bloom for me, little peduncle? Then my asparagus fern, I took some cuttings down. Well, I didn't take propagation cuttings, but I did trim its hair to make it look a little bushier and better. It's still putting out new growth. I'm still chucking along. This is a begonia. I can't remember what one it is, but it looked really cool, and I don't think that propagation's gonna make it. Look, man. It was starting to root. It's probably been my fault. I don't know what I've done, but this probably isn't going to work out. Then my Aglaonema tigris, it was on the struggle bus in the north-facing window. Again, I neglected that plant too. And it was okay in lower light conditions. It didn't lose too many leaves. It was the underwatering that done it. But it'll be alright. It'll bounce back. Hoya parvifolia. Begonia, Rex begonia Inca flame. Aglaonema black maroon. My money tree, Pachira aquatica. Neon pothos. One of the cuttings I got from Ruffled Willow Plant Swap last year, and then the other one I bought from Lowe's Costa Farms. Nah, my friend Sasha gave me this lemon meringue. Nope. Yes, that is the lemon meringue. I got the global green somewhere else. Then, of course, you got Hoya Caudata there. Hoya Caudata is looking real good. Remember how sad she's looked before, but look, just give her some water and she pops back up. And then my Hoya pubicalyx pink silver ghost. It's on the struggle bus, and I'm going to repot it soon because this pubicalyx next to it is done. So I want to save this cutting, and it's not dead, so I got to do something about it. This is the global green pothos. I've been struggling with this one, but it's not dead, so I'm hanging on. My jungle boogie cutting I got last year, and it's doing great. It's lost a couple leaves. This one's been struggling, but that's one of the older original leaves, and it's putting out new growth. So I figured I'd put it out on the porch, even though it does fine in the neglect spare bedroom. And hopefully it can get bigger and bushier, and I can trade some more. That is the Asiananthus red elf lipstick plant. Yeah. Then my hairy columnia that I was so happy to have. I think I finally killed it. So I'll have to be on the lookout for one, I guess. I mean, maybe I don't even want it in my collection, but I was tickled about it. Then my Jurassic Rex begonia. Megalocroc. Yep, so hopefully I will be sharing this one this fall. Propagations. leaves anyway or whatever, since I see other people are doing this. This is supposed to be a Florida native Dutchman's pipe. It's looking very passiflora to me, the leaves. We'll see. And then we got Hoya Waymanii, however you want to say it. And look at this new leaf it's putting out. It almost looks like it's disease or it's got a virus or something. So I don't know, man. But I brought it down here. This new leaf's got that too. So maybe it's just how it puts out new leaves. Hoya obovata, it's kicking some butt cheeks. It's looking real good. And putting out a new vine. So I brought her down here even though she does fine. In this neglect room. Mini variegated lipstick plant, also Nationanthus. And I want to get all these lipstick plants to freaking bloom, so I probably am going to end up moving them to the back deck this summer, see if I can get them to bloom. And then if they don't bloom there, then I'm probably going to gift them, because obviously they don't want to bloom under my conditions. And I want to make room for different plants then, dang it. Alright. And the airplane plant I was gifted, it's probably a Hawaiian, and I got another one upstairs. It says Discidia. I can't remember the variety, but it is variegated million hearts is what they call it. And then this is Hoya lacanosa silver mint coin. And then my dahlia collection. Yeah, that's an outside collection, man. Outside. And then I brought down my finger lime tree today, and my banana trees. Yeah, they're adjusting. And then I have my Kentia palm that's getting sun scald, but it's okay. I cut it back, let it get new leaves out. My Monstera Tycon, she's out here. Philodendron glad hands is out here. It lost a leaf due to sun scald. It'll be all right. Then Dieffenbachia camouflage. I'm pretty sure this variety is. My Planta app says it's Vesuvius, but who knows? So like I said, I'm sick and my voice is gone done now. And it's only been a 12-minute video. So thank you for stopping by, guys. I love you, and so does Jesus, and your hair looks really nice today. Bye, guys.